Okay, so I used scissors to cut through because this exoskeleton is really tough, okay? And so I didn't use a scalpel, I used scissors instead. And now I haven't done anything. I haven't really cleaned up. And so when you buy this at the grocery store, you're going to, it's going to all be cooked, right? Which is kind of cool and kind of disgusting at the same time because it's cooking all the internal organs with it. So let's zoom out just a little bit. I don't want to zoom out. There we go. Focus. There we go. Okay, so this part here is the stomach. So let's just kind of, I'm going to open it up, but I have to be very careful because some of these organs are very delicate. Okay, these feathery structures on each side, these are the gills. Look how pretty they are. High surface area to volume because this is where oxygen and carbon dioxide are being transferred. Okay, they're breathing underwater. So gills on each side. And then there's this little membrane that separates the gills from the internal organs. Oops. Sorry. Okay, so now when I look inside here, I kind of pull back that membrane a little bit. I see this structure right here. Can you see that? I have to zoom in on that because it's really interesting. Focus. Okay, this is probably better as long as I don't move. Okay, so these are the gills. Gills. There's this little papery membrane. And then this structure right here, it's very fragile. It's easy to get destroyed. That's the heart. Okay, it's nice and clear. So that's the heart. Then we have all this white stuff. See it here and here? That's all digestive gland. Okay, digestive gland. Stomach is here. And I could get in, and now I cut a little deep, and so I could go in there. They have gastric teeth, which is kind of cool. They have teeth in their stomach. How awesome is that? All right, so stomach. And then I removed a couple of the segments off the tail. And you want to do this when you buy shrimp or any type of lobster, anything like that. So this part right here, okay, see that tube? Oops, you're like, no, I can't see that at all. Sorry. Here it is. See it? That's the intestine. So it's going to go from the stomach down. It's going to go deep, so I don't want to wreck everything to get there. But you want to remove that intestine. They call it deveining. I think that's just to make it sound better because it's not a vein at all. It's the intestine. And lobster, crayfish, shrimp, these guys are mostly detritus feeders. They're just kind of eating the scum off the bottom of the ocean. You don't want to eat the waste of that. So you want to take that right out. Okay, you want to remove that when you're eating these animals because gross. Okay, so remove that. Or have the butcher do it for you. He's much faster. Okay, so this is all digestive gland. I'm just kind of carefully moving it aside. Oops. Oh, look at that. See, it's so easy to break. So that I can see that intestine a little bit better. Right there. Okay. I believe that covers all the internal anatomy of our crayfish. I'm just going to move that back a little bit. But you see how delicate? Oops. All I got to do is just move that slightly. I don't want to damage that heart because that's a muscle that I'm removing right there. One that we don't have to know. But now I can see the heart. Like I can't see it. Sorry. Heart, digestive gland, intestine, all in this view with gills. That's it.